In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for your content as a music producer, 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know how to use AI to speed up creation, tighten your branding, and show up consistently without burning out. Before you open any tool, get crystal clear on your producer identity. Lock in your genre, the vibe you want to be known for, the audience you serve, and your long-term vision. Think of it like a compass. The clearer the direction, the better AI can help you get there. A simple one-liner like, "I make dark cinematic trap for rappers who want epic energy" will guide every prompt, visual, and caption you create. Brand first, tools second. Now use AI to increase your musical output. Lean on AI MIDI generators, chord helpers like Scalar or Captain tools, conversational ideas from AI for progressions, and AI-assisted drum tools to sketch ideas fast. Draft quickly, then stamp it with your sound through sound selection, arrangement, and mixing. Release consistently on platforms like YouTube, BeatStars, and TikTok. Volume builds visibility, but your signature touch builds loyalty. Bring your brand to life visually. AI art tools can generate beat covers, while design assistants can help with thumbnails and promo graphics, and logo tools can shape your mark. Choose a consistent color palette, keep a recognizable cover style, and use clean typography. When someone sees your art, they should instantly know it's you. Save templates so every new release feels on brand with minimal effort. Automate your content pipeline. Have AI draft Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, beat titles, hashtags, and email promos. Batch 1 to 2 weeks of content in a single session and schedule it. Reuse prompts and templates so you can maintain a steady rhythm even on busy studio days. Consistency builds authority. For short-form videos, keep it simple and repeatable. Quick beat-making challenges, AI versus human comparisons, loop breakdowns, and behind-the-scenes clips all work. Use AI to write tight scripts, generate hooks, and pitch fresh ideas. Open with a strong hook, add captions, and keep the edit snappy. Turn creativity into products. Use AI to help craft loop kits, MIDI packs, drum kits, presets, and beat bundles, then generate product descriptions, cover art, and sales copy. Speed means more products and more income streams. Always ensure your sounds are original and cleared, and get feedback before launching. Level up your client communications. Draft polished emails, collaboration proposals, and responses to inquiries with AI. For contracts, generate clean drafts and have a qualified professional review them. Clear, professional communication strengthens your reputation. Finally, don't hide your tools. Position yourself as an AI-enhanced producer. Present yourself as modern, innovative, and future-focused.